I'm Mel, part of the Evo education team. Thanks for joining us in one of our PK sessions. Today, I'm going to take you through Evo Fabuloso. Before we talk about what it is, you're going to need a couple of things to follow me through today. Fabuloso colour chart and the Fabuloso PK booklet, which you'll find at the back of the PK book. We're going to start with colour boosting treatment. It's designed to do those two things: boost your colour and treat your hair. Your clients can take this home and use it at any point during their colour services. It refreshes their colour and revives their hair by adding moisture and shine. There's 8 shades: platinum, light beige and caramel for your light levels of hair, copper, purple red and mahogany for your warm shades, and chestnut and cool brown for your brunettes. Platinum is the most popular in the range and also comes in a 1 litre for the back bar. If you're not familiar with Fabuloso, we have a swatch book. At the top here is an indicator showing you 3 different levels of hair: level 10, 7 and 5. And here is the end result of the 8 shades on those levels. You see a more vibrant result on the lighter levels of hair and a more subtle intensity on the deeper levels. Fabuloso is recommended for dry, dull, colour-treated hair for best results. The pigment load in Fabuloso is very high for the most deposit of colour. The type of pigment is a cationic direct dye. This means positively charged. The hair becomes negative in damaged areas through colour treating, heat tools or even sun. Like a magnet, the positive and negative are attracted to each other, and this technology allows for the most even colour deposit. As well as the type of pigment, another key ingredient is panthenol. This helps to moisturise and repair, and the end result is soft, shiny, colour boosted hair. To use, shampoo and then evenly towel dry. Section the hair into 4 quadrants and apply to each section. Take a wide tooth comb and comb through. This will help for an even distribution of product. Process for 3 minutes and then rinse and style as usual. Fabuloso should be used weekly instead of your normal conditioner to refresh colour faded hair. As well as Fabuloso having treatments, it also has platinum shampoo. We talked about the type of pigments, and this is also a cationic direct dye. We maxed out the pigment load using violet pigment to give you a crisp, clean result. If you happen to overtone, you won't see the murkiness. The luxurious foam is easy to spread through the hair, and uniquely when you rinse it, the hair feels soft and it's shiny. To use, it's a shampoo. It's designed to cleanse and tone at the same time. Apply to damp hair and leave for 1 to 3 minutes depending on desired tone. Rinse and finish with your normal Evo conditioner. For the strongest possible result, you can use it with platinum boosting treatment. Both platinum products also come in a 1 litre back bar size to be used at the basin. The shampoo is by far the strongest and was created with pre-toning in mind. You now have everything you need to know about Evo Fabuloso. If you'd like to know more about Fab Pro or Stay No by Fab Pro, please check out our other PK sessions.